The doctors say I need 2 new knees, and that's probably the last thing that I'm willing to do. On today's video, I'm going to go over my recently completed MRIs to show you exactly how bad my knees are, and I'll talk about the decision I made for my next form of treatment. Maybe it's just all in my head, but I don't want to get knee replacements. So I've been on a journey to do everything possible to avoid the replacements and hopefully get my knees a whole lot better. What I did is I went and got an MRI to see exactly what the heck is going on with my knees, and I have the results right here. Lots of big words, so I'm going to mess a few of these things up, but here's what it says. Now, my good knee, which is my left knee, good is maybe that's a very generous statement on there, but my good knee basically shows that my meniscus, there's diffuse tearing of the anterior horn, body, and posterior horn of the medial meniscus with loss of hoop mechanism integrity, which does not sound really good. Let's see, the ACL and PCL are intact, and the MCL, lateral collateral stabilizers are intact. So that's not too bad, okay? Not too bad. On the, I think, chondral surfaces, there's advanced osteoarthritis. There's advanced osteoarthritis throughout the medial femoral tibial compartment. Diffuse chondral loss of the patellofemoral compartment, most pronounced from the apex over the lateral face. Doesn't sound good, does it? If you're a doc, you probably understand what the stuff is. I don't. All I know is it hurts. It's not good. So that's the good knee. The bad knee, which is worse than, so I guess I got a bad knee and a badder knee. Let's just put it that way. So this is my badder knee. Basically on the meniscus and everything, it pretty much says the same thing. Lots of tears, everything in there. But here's what's something that was really interesting. The ACL shows diffuse abnormal appearance consistent with prior tearing. So apparently at one point I tore my ACL. I think I know when I did it. And a little side note, I went on a golfing weekend shortly after that, and I was golfing with one crutch, and actually I guess I was using my golf clubs as my other crutch when I was out there. I don't know. A lot of alcohol involved. That's probably the only reason why I was able to make it through all that pain. But I think that must have been when I did it, because I really messed up my knee at that point. Anyway, the reason why I'm telling you all this is a lot of you have been very generous with your time and your suggestions and giving me suggestions for supplements and exercises to do and everything. Suffice it to say, I've done a lot of them. Not all of them, but it really has gotten down to the point where my knees, they really need to be replaced, but I want to make sure that I'm doing everything possible before succumbing, I guess, in my own head. I feel like I'm giving up by getting new knees. So I'm looking into therapies that are going to have additional growth factors in there that are going to help my everything grow again, as in like stem cells and Wharton's jelly and things like that. That's really where I'm at right now. And I'm about ready to go through a therapy of Wharton's jelly coming up here very soon. I'll let you follow along with my progress on that. Fingers crossed that is going to at least buy me some time. And look, if I can buy another 2, 3, 4, 5 years with my knees, who knows what's available in a few years that's going to make it even better without doing the standard replacements that are out there. So anyway, just thought you'd like to know exactly how messed up my knees are and follow along the journey. Hey, real quick, if you like what you're seeing, do me a big favor. Go down, click the like button below, make some comments, subscribe to the channel if you're watching this on YouTube, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.